Welcome back to Booze and Rocks. My name is David Edwards, and today we're making an Aperol Sour two different ways. Let's get into it. Alright, it's great to have every single one of you back here today. We are making an Aperol Sour. Now this is good because we're going to try changing it up between a sour with egg white and a sour without egg white. And I'm doing this for two reasons. Because I want to see, is it just a mouthfeel and a textural thing, or does it mute the flavors? Now we all know that Aperol is an Italian aperitif, and it's been around for a long time. It's 11% alcohol by volume, and you know what? It's pretty good. It's not just for an Aperol Spritz, although I have made one of those and I'll put a link to that up here. So let's get into this. Now I'm going to make these side by side, which I don't normally do. Normally I do it one after another, but I'm trying something new. So I'd like your feedback. Please leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. First thing we're going to use is a little bit of gin. Now a lot of recipes for the Aperol Sour do not call for gin. I, on the other hand, just want to do something a little bit different. So we're going to use half an ounce or 15 milliliters. Not bad, not bad, not bad. And I'm using Devil's Keep Distillery Gin. It is a Nova Scotia, New Brunswick gin, which is really awesome. I love local products. Next, we're going to use a little bit of simple syrup. For this, we're going to use a 1-to-1 simple syrup, 1 part water, 1 part sugar, and we need 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 milliliters. Very nice. So we're going to grab your favorite Aperol. This nice orange liqueur, gotta love it, smells great. We're going to use 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. Next, we're going to use some lemon juice. So I'll just put these off to the side. We need 3/4 of an ounce, and I need a knife. Ah, look, a knife. Magic. And we need 3/4 of an ounce, which works out to 22.5 milliliters. So your average lemon will give you, if you can fit it into your squeezer, close to 1 ounce. All right, put that over here. So it looks really good. However, get rid of that. One of these will have an egg white, and you need about really half an ounce, so 1 large size egg should do it. And you know, it's sort of become habit for me to just kind of slam back the yolk because I laugh at E. coli, right? Well, oh. 151, you shouldn't do that. Oh, I even looked at it, but I didn't read it. Wow. Oh, that got my attention. Boys and girls, don't do that at home. Actually, you know what? Do it at home if you want. But you have to remember there are some people that worry about E. coli, and you should always take that into consideration. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to shake both of these with ice for about 10 seconds. The next one. All right, not bad so far. Give it a slap. Now I need this because for this one, I'm going to reshake it without the ice. Put that here. And try again. Get this out of the way. Shake it hard for another 10 seconds. All right. Move that out of the way, move those over. I spilled a little bit. Grab your glasses of choice. In my case, I have 2 separate rocks glasses. We want to serve these with ice. First, we'll strain into one that is non-foamed, and we'll double strain these just to keep out the ice. Very, very nice. And what we'll do is we'll double strain the next one that has foam in it. Look at that. Both of these look gorgeous. A beautiful orange color, slightly muted, not crystal clear because of your lemon juice. Let's try it, give it a sniff test. Smells good. You can smell the Aperol coming up. You don't notice the Aperol smell as much with this one. So what I'll do is I'll taste the one first. This will allow our foam to settle a bit more. I'm tired, I'm out of shape. Darn COVID. Oh, that's very good. You get the Aperol, you get just a slight hint of the lemon, and the Aperol comes up, and it's not super strong. It's not punch you in the face strong or bitter, which is really, really nice. Very nice. Let's try this next one. I love the look of the foam. It does make the drink a little bit more opaque. There is a bit of a difference. Besides the textural, the silkiness and smoothness that you get from the egg yolk, oh, they're both good. You get more of the lemon with the egg yolk, in my opinion. Try them out, definitely, because these are both very, very good. Oh yeah. Now, interestingly enough, in a lot of sours, we also put Angostura bitters or bitters of your choice. Normally, I would put like 4 drops in, or 1 dash would be good enough, I guess. It's a little bit more than I want. But let's see, does that make a difference? Using anything to stir, up to and including my finger. Yes. Add the bitters in this one for sure. You get a different aroma. You get the aroma of the Angostura bitters immediately on your nose. And it adjusts the flavor and it balances it differently. The difference of 4 or 5 drops has a huge impact on this drink. I really like this one. Yeah, you know what? Tell me which one you prefer. Leave it down in the comments down below, please. I'll put the ingredients and a method of how to make both of these down in the description down below. If this is your first time to my channel, please check out the subscribe button, as I keep saying, check it out, and hit that bell notification. That way you'll be notified every time we put up a new video. And if you'd like to support the channel, please check us out at patreon.com/booze on the rocks, because every little bit helps to bring this to you. You what? Can't even think, I'm still out of breath. And you have a great day. Light, easy drink before you start a meal to awaken, hit stop. Or does it alter the taste itself? Now, Aperol isn't it, and I always like one with